Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show you how to estimate the elevation capacity curve or elevation area curve in QGIS from them. To do this, we come to the plugin and come to this plugin and search for the surface water storage. We search for surface water storage. Here is the one, surface water storage. Actually, I have already installed the plugin. For you, you may need to install this plugin. I already installed, checked. Then we come to this processing tool, surface water storage, and then come to area volume elevation graph. Click it, then you use your dem. It must be the field dem, and also the area you want, your area, specific area. For me, it is this one. I already prepared everything. This is the vertical steps of our elevations with the corresponding capacity or area. So you can choose your destination folder or just leave as a temporary file. So we can just run it. Wait for the result. You may need to cut your dam because sometimes if the dam is very high resolution, it will take time. Yeah, already completed. This is the CSV data. This is the graph. You can check this one. This is CSV data. Yeah, you can open. Also, we can check the graph from here. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah, here is the graph it provided us. You can hover over the graph and see the results, the values. See elevations, area, and capacity. This one capacity. It's a great plugin. And also this one is the